So last week I got rid of all of the horrible texture on this wall behind me. And this week I'm going to be transforming the deck door area and making it look like a completely different space. So the first thing I did was I went to Target and I went and looked at their curtain rods, and most of them were severely overpriced. But then I found this gold one for $30-something and I was like, fuck it, I can do that. And it pretty much gave me what I wanted. And then they had this cleaning special situation where if you spent $50, you'd get a $15 gift card back. And I was like, fuck yeah. Our mop head takes forever to dry. It has to sit outside for about 48 hours. So it's basically fucking useless if you need to actually mop the floor. But I wanted something reusable. So I saw this Bona mop head. And the beauty of this one is that you take all the mop heads and throw them in the washing machine when you're done. But I've never used the before. So if anyone has, please leave a comment down below. Let us know how it is. Then I went to Lowe's and I went and got some joint compound, because I'm going to be skim coating the back deck door area and sort of transforming that. And honestly, the biggest struggle I have found with skim coating is the fact that I have to carry these ridiculously heavy boxes. And the struggle is when you're not a weightlifter like myself and you have the strength of SpongeBob, other people will stand idly by, wondering where exactly the f*** you went wrong. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is sanding, because when you put up the plaster, it's virtually impossible, or at least with my skill set. I can't get it perfectly smooth. So I can get it pretty damn close, but I have to go in with a sander and do a little bit of finish work. This spot was from Kirby. So I plastered the walls the other day and I couldn't help but to notice, who did this? Was it you? It was you, wasn't it? All right, so I am about to transform this entire area behind me very quickly in this video. So these walls behind me have a ton of ugly texture on them, just like all of the other walls. So I'm just gonna be going through that exact same process, except it's a very small area, so it's not gonna take me very long, fingers crossed, because I always say that and it ends up being a train wreck. So let's hope this time's a little bit different. We're in business. Big ass plastic tarp this time. 10 feet by 20 feet. I don't want this getting anywhere. And before people start asking questions, the only reason why I'm not moving the couch right now is because Tim's not home, and so I can't move it all by myself. Oh, no. Stop extending. On today's episode of
Why the f would you do that?
all of these lovely little patches. Okay, so I got this curtain rod at Target. It was like $32, so it was one of the cheaper ones, but also I liked the fact that it was gold because I'm much more of a gold fan rather than silver. Could you see me? Was I too dark?
No, you're like, I'm just shedding some light on the situation. You get it? You get it?
I'm pretty sure that it's studs along the window frame.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna need drywall screws. Gonna, you know? Hey, honey, do you think you drilled it too far on the right?
Huh?
The one on the right, do you think you drilled it too far on the right?
What do you mean? You think I drilled it too far into the right?
Like it's too far this way. Shouldn't it be right here?
You want me to move it?
It's good enough. Directly in the center. But maybe I think we should put the curtain rod in first. And slide that onto the curtain rod. And then drill it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I see where you're going. I think that's a good idea.
Do you want me to put the pole in there so it looks like I did all the work?
You know, I don't necessarily know that you need to put the pole in there for me, but you could do literally anything. Okay, can you hold this while I move? You're killing it.
Thank you. I'm trying my hardest. Okay, so it's looking like these curtains are slightly too narrow. The good news is that I was wanting to do pleating on these curtains, so I'm just gonna order another set of them and just do 2 curtains on each side, all pleated. So I gotta order more tonight. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for next week's episode where we put Kirby on a rocket ship. Bye.